Hello and welcome back to How to Start a Home Yoga Practice. This is Lauren LaPointe and thank you so much for being here. Have you been taking some yoga classes, or maybe you've studied yoga online or with some DVDs? At some point, we start to just naturally want to evolve into our own home yoga practice. But it can be really daunting to know how to start, and that's what we're going to look at in this course. And it's important to know that there is no right or wrong way to do your home yoga practice as long as you're not hurting yourself. Okay, so we always follow safety first. As long as you're doing that, everything else is good. So try not to worry about judging the process too much and just enjoy the journey, enjoy whatever happens on your mat. Okay, so another thing to realize is that you don't need to know everything about yoga in order to do your own home practice. All that you really need is the desire to learn and an openness to just being present and just kind of going with whatever happens on the mat. It really is a journey. So that's all you need. You're good to go. You're very welcome here. I look forward to seeing you in the course ahead. Thanks again for being here, and see you soon.